Good morning, everyone. Let's go talk to the animals this morning. Yes. Get us a bow and the pigs and the goats. Kiwi! Coconut! Where's Bo? There's Bo. Finally got Bo. Right here. For him. Bo! Yo! Come on. Kind of crazy. Today, on the farm, trying not let goat jump on me, trying not let Bo jump on me. The only animal in this pen don't jump on me is the pigs. Gate shut. Hot tart. Marshmallow. Bo, you got treats in your bowl. Bo got treats in his bowl. Little treats. See, you got little treats. There he goes. Marshmallow, Peter. Hot tart. Want? Okay. Where are you going? Look, I know the girls. Gigi! That Gigi. See? Hey, boys! The girls are eating it. No, Bo. Yummy. Rain! Come here. Alright. Rain ain't getting none. No hot tart. You girls. There. Y'all ate hot tarts. Yeah, the girls ate the hot tarts. The boys didn't get none. Let's get the wrapper. Let's don't leave nothing like that in the field. Okay. Let's go feed Mama Clementine. She opened the gate. Oh no. What I'm gonna do? Nothing. Cause I trained her to open it for me. Look at the piggies. There, good enough. They're so big. They're ready for their new homes. Yes. They're ready for their new home. My little Clementine. My little Clementine. She's so nice. Yeah. She's so nice, isn't it, Clementine? Okay. After the meet up, I'm going to breed my goats. I always breed my goats in that year. Because it makes sure my baby's not born in the cold season or another season. Like, it's just gonna be normal. And then my baby goats won't get sick and stuff. Yeah. Let's go feed the rabbits. Bo and the pigs are at it. Yeah. Oh. We moved the chicks from the brewer out here and one of the rabbit cages. Ooh, it's cool over here. It's hot. And it's gonna be fall here soon. Man, it's hot. Let's show you them. These was our brewers. We moved them out here because they're all fired out, some of them. And some of these are mama hens. The mixed ones you can see is mama hens. Well, let me feed the rabbits, and then I don't know what. We might go find a little fairy. Hello, girls, and one boy. Frenchie, or Rachel Crawl. Stephen calls her Rachel Crawl. I call her Frenchie. Get her food. It feels so nice under here. Just a little bit. Because she's some miniature Rets. She don't eat that much. Sakura. Sorry, everyone. Sakura. Give her some food. Yep. Okay, let's shut it. There's Violet. Pearl. Copper, everyone. Copper, it's growing. Violet. And Burrow. Give them one more scoop. Get some cups. There's more in there. That's fine. We are going to shut it. Cappuccino's thing needs to be free again. I know, everyone. But we're feeding them. Just a little bit. Because of his breed. Oh, sorry, everyone. Gil got the cough. That white cappuccino. Now, little farmhand rabbit. Don't know why she does that. Y'all have know why she does it. That'd be cool. She always chews the wires. Always chewing the wire. No, me open it? Okay. I open it, Daisy May. There's Chi-Chi and Helen, everyone. Oh. Look her, rabbit. Chi-Chi, there ain't no food in it yet. I gotta open it. Will you let me pet you? No. See? Not yet. Not yet. I don't trust you yet. Okay, Chi-Chi. I know. Here, you trust me with this? Will you trust me with your food? It'd be cool when I'd be able to pet you. What, can I pet you when you're eating? Okay. That's good enough for me. Guess a head rub is good enough for me. Oh, what about you, Helen? Here, Helen. Nope. Nope, 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 no pets. Oh, I did feed them over there, okay? But let's see Totoro. Totoro. Everyone wants to see you, Totoro. Okay, Totoro. It's gonna be time breeding miniature rats, and the lion head's here soon. when it gets a little bit more cooler. You always want to breed your rabbits before Easter and Christmas, because that's when all the parents, everyone goes buy rabbits for their kids on them days. And it's just cool to have baby rabbits too. Yes. Okay. Find little fairy. She must be somewhere. Little fairy, what are you doing in my room?
You told me to come in here.
I did?
Yeah.
Well,
And
there's something in my room. You're probably watching some TV in my room.
Some of them. I obey pretty good.
Evie's in her room.
I know.
Let's switch the camera on, little fairy. Hello, little fairy.
Hello.
What's in my room?
A lot of junk.
Well, my room's not like Steven's. No, okay? But there's an animal in my room.
Yes, they are. A dog. You can't say there's not a dog in here.
Yeah, there's Evie, but there's another animal these people don't know about.
A snake.
A snake!
Get the gun. Get a hoe.
No, 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 no. We don't kill snakes here. Snakes are good on the farm. And people says they're not, but they are.
They eat mouse.
We have killed snakes on here.
And other
So,
stuff.
we have.
You might get a snake once in a while eat your eggs, but they gotta be very hungry to eat eggs.
Usually they don't.
They mostly eat rats and other lizards.
Yep.
But where is the snake?
In your aquarium.
In an
Well,
aquarium?
his aquarium.
In his aquarium.
Yeah, not yours. Well, it's yours, but it's where he lives.
Aquarium?
Yes, in that aquarium.
He has a bigger aquarium.
He does. Okay.
Okay, you little fairy.
Yes.
What do we feed Spiky? That's the snake's name, Spiky.
Oh.
Off My Little Pony.
we feed-
Spike.
Yes, we feed him pinkies,
Pinkies. Or little hoppers.
hoppers.
But it's
He likes the fuzzies better.
fuzzies.
Uh-huh. Now, if we can find small hoppers, he likes them.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. He's about 15 years old. No.
I graduated in
No, that's not right one. Let's see.
I got him when I graduated, everyone, okay?
2. No, that's not right. 2.
She got her calculator out.
2 minus 2. 7 years.
He's 7 years old?
He's 7. That means you've been graduated 7 years.
Wow.
You're old.
I'm old.
You're old.
I'm old.
You're
But
old. But he's a little sand boa. He
Yes.
only gets about 15 to 20 inches long.
But he's a runt.
Yes, he was a runt.
He was a runt.
Yes.
Simbo.
Yeah. You told Meanie that's all you wanted for your graduation.
Yes, I did.
Oh, with a snake, because Meanie is David Short.
And he has a Facebook.
He does.
A
He
day?
raises all kind of snakes.
He does.
And other kind of animals and stuff.
Yes.
Yeah. But let's check out Spiky.
Check out Spiky.
Yeah. All videotape.
Yay.
And you hold him.
I'll hold him. Okay.
You like this aquarium why?
Because if you have an aquarium where it opens this way,
Mhm.
they're more likely to attack because you're more,
They think you're an enemy.
yes,
Or food.
or food or something.
Yeah. Where's he? Where's he at? There he is. Oh, I see him. He popped
Even
in.
under. And I guess this is because he's a sin boa.
There he is. Grab
There he
him.
goes.
Look at him. Wait, I can't see him.
Let's put him on his house.
Okay.
Yes, hopefully he don't. Come on, Spiky.
Here you go.
There we go.
There you go.
And he is shedding, everyone. Good job, buddy.
There he is. He's going.
He's going.
Can't see him. There he is. He don't want to be touched right now because he's shedding. And when they shed, their skin is very sensitive.
Yes.
Yeah. He's going back under the sand. Oh, there he goes over that way. Where did he go? Can't see him. Here you go.
There's Spiky, everyone. The farm animal. It's not a farm animal. He gets a pet.
Yes, that's right. He's a farm animal, but he's your pet.
He's my pet.
Yes, he is.
He's my pet.
Yes. And you like Spiky, so that's okay. But I know one thing good about Spiky.
What?
He keeps boys out of your room.
It's the weirdest thing, people. We used to have a bug guy who used to come, and he wouldn't go in my room. He would spray at the edge of my door.
That's right.
If he saw Spiky under the sand, he said, okay, I'll go in and spray the whole room.
That's right.
But Spiky was out on his house or anything in the water. Nope. No, 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 no.
Justin didn't care how many spiders got on him. He just didn't want a snake.
He didn't want a snake.
But the one we have now, Alex, is the other way around. He hates spiders and he don't mind snakes.
See?
He comes in and says, "Where's the snake?"
Yes. Ian, Colton, and Kayan
Even Kelly's held him.
once. But
Once.
Kelly really don't like snakes here.
Right. But they got a bearded dragon.
Yeah, they do.
I tell you.
And I think Rex is awesome too now, okay?
I do too. Yeah. But anyhow, we need to go feed animals.
No, you need to go do your group.
I know you already done yours, but I was cooking.
Okay.
Okay. Please like,
Please subscribe,
hit that Norton bell.
leave a comment.
Yes, and tell us if you have a snake or if you like snakes. And
Bye, y'all!